Right, Putha. Now we'll look how we can design this game. So here you can see I have opened Scratch desktop, or you can go to Google and you can search for Scratch online, and you can create a user account and you can take that Scratch software, online software. But for that purpose you have to go to the internet, right? So here one object is there. This is we are calling as the sprite cat. I can change the size of the cat with the help of this one. Okay, so this is the basics of software engineering, right? So when you consider about this object, what I have done, this object size I have changed. So these are the properties of this sprite. Okay, sprite means the object, right? If you want 150, you can give, yes, the size will be increase, and the direction you can change. Here they have given 90%. If I want, so like this you can change the direction, but for my purpose I'm using 90 degrees here. Think about that, right? So you have done maths. So x is 0, y is 0, x is 0, y is 0. So we'll see what is this. X is 0 and y is 0. I'll change the size of this image to 50. So here you have, right? Now you can see x is 0, y is 0. Now I am moving this cat to this position. Now you can see x is minus 175 and y is 120. I'll take paint, right? With the help of the paint I'll explain. So as I have mentioned you in the earlier class, we have to know about the x and y axis. So here you have y axis, here you have x axis. So this position we are taking as 0.0. So that's what we said, this is a 2D game. Okay, so you are having only x and y axis. So when you consider about a point here, this will be, x will be plus and y will be plus. Okay, now think this position will take in here the x position is 25, and here this one y will be 75. So you can write this point as 25 comma 75. So first you are writing the x and then you are writing the y. When you consider about this part here, if you have something like some point here, so what will happen here? But you will have to know, this is y, it's negative value. So when you consider this is 25 and the y will be, thinks this is 60, so that will be minus 60, right? Then when you consider about here, the x will be negative. When you consider about this kind of point, so think this is 150 and this is 75. So how you can write this one? Minus 150 comma 75. So just go through this, and I think in grade 7 you all have learned this one. Okay, the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, with the help of some point we have given the point x and y, and with the help of that you can find out a point in here. Okay, 2D. If the z is there, okay, here we are not going to talk about that, but if okay some z is there, then you can create 3D games. Okay, later we will discuss about that. Now here basically I want, in your syllabus we have to develop some softwares. I want to put up the necessary background to do this part. Okay, right. I don't want to save this one, I'll minimize. Right, so here we have the sprite. Now we need to take another object. So what I can do from here, I can choose a sprite, I can click here, and from here I'll give an apple. Here you have the apple. I'm changing the size of this one also. I'll change it to 50, make it small. Right, I'll keep this one in this location. Okay, so we are having two objects. Now we have to go for the path. How we can go for the path? Here you are having choose backdrop. So go to choose backdrop, and you are going to do your own one. ඔයා unique path එකක් හදන්න යන්නේ. So you are clicking on this. So here you are coming to this position. Now what you can do, from here you can take the position and you can draw whatever the line that you want. Here you are taking the path. Okay, you are creating the path, right? ඒක හොඳට බලලා කරන්න ඕනේ. So here you have. Then I need another line, so I'll take something like this and to this position and to this position. Okay, here you have your path, right? So you can see, right, the path that we have. අපි ඇඳපු path එක හොඳට බලා ගන්න. Okay, if I want this one, yes, I can take, and I can take the color that I want from here. If I want black, yes, I can take black, right? And moving here, from this one they have given 10. I'll put 50. Okay, so if I want, I can draw the line here. You can see, right? You can see the line. As you want, you can draw the line like this. Okay, from here also the same. If you want, you can draw the line like this, right? So this is how you drew your path as you wish, right? Then after that you can go to the code. So here you can see the sprites are there. So this is the cat. So we'll see whether the cat can go within this one. No, it's too big. Okay, so what we can do, from here we'll change the size to 35 here. Okay, we'll see whether the cat can move now. Yes, right? So the cat can go and cat can reach the object. So now you all have to remember how the cat can move. As I have mentioned, we can use what? We are using the keyboard arrows, up, down, left and right. So we'll see how we can use that. So now, as they have mentioned, two objects are there, the path is there, the message we have to create. I'll show you how to give that instruction. Moving this one we have to discuss. Okay.